talk about.
Yeah, dude, this is legit. Wow.
Right? I just fucking, it's
scary fast.
It is. And it's still a stick shift. That's what I love about it, man. It's badass having that.
Dude, it's a dying breed. It's almost dead. It's like not even dying. It's like barely alive.
If this was like I said, we were bringing it up like a little past 75. Like the more revs, the more power.
No, I agree. Yeah,
crazy, just like we did. So I'll bring it up to 40.
Yeah.
Badass, man.
Wow.
I know it's loud and everything, but like if I didn't tell you, you just think like, oh, it's a loud Mustang. Like,
yeah,
there's no indication of a supercharger on it.
And it still drives great, right?
Yeah, no. You know, it hurt fuel economy a little, but whatever. Price you pay for 700 horse.
I understand why.